Hey guys, end of the term. This week is going to be pretty laid back. Your first focus should be completing that final for this class by the 28th. I'll show you a copy of the final, some basic instructions on it, and then review the rubric with you. And then your second priority should be reviewing your grades in this class and other classes, completing any unfinished work, or contacting your teachers about any questions you have about assignments or grades. In my class, you can turn in any missing work for full points as long as it's turned in by Thursday the 28th. Speaking of the final, remember you are not taking like a bunch of multiple choice questions. It's going to be a written essay question or written essay response. Here are the questions. There's 3 questions and you only have to answer one. I'm going to say that one more time so that way you guys don't do more work than you have to. You only have to answer one of these questions. You are allowed to use your notes and graphic organizers that you prepared for the end of the term. We have made a graphic organizer for each and every one in class, so you should be good to go on whichever one you feel most comfortable with. You can write your answer right in here on this Google Doc. You could also write it on paper if you feel more comfortable with that, taking a picture and uploading it to Google Classroom. Do whatever you're most comfortable with. All right, here's the rubric right here. This should look super familiar from the Columbian Exchange outline. Make sure you have a nice clear claim to introduce your writing topic, and make sure that claim is a full sentence that answers the question. And then you're going to provide 3 reasons to support your claim, and for each reason, you're going to provide a piece of evidence or an example with some details. Okay, we've been working on that throughout the term, and you guys are in a good spot to include specific examples in your historical writing. And then make sure the information that you include is accurate. Anything that we covered in class is good to go. If you did any outside research, just make sure that it is accurate. And this will be worth 15 points. I know some of you are like, a final, it's only worth 15 points. Just remember that this will be graded as an assessment, and assessments are worth 80% of your grade. So even though 15 points doesn't seem like a whole lot, it's like a big fat 15 points. Okay, and if you guys have any questions about the final or assignments, feel free to email me, call or text my Google Voice phone number, or come to open office hours 1:30 to 3. Final needs to be completed by Thursday the 28th.